To give a nice clean lineup for your client, first begin by prepping the entire work area. Here, the focus point is the forehead. As you can see, I'm starting off with this product for extra hold. This really helps keep the loose hairs around the edge line in place. Next, with a hand towel, I'm cleaning up the area to ensure the surface is dry. Now that we are done with the prep, I'm moving on to the lineup. As you can see, I'm starting off in the center of the forehead with the trimmer. Here, I'm creating a U outline that matches my client's forehead. Guys, it's very important that you do this first. I suggest you take your time. This is all the reference you are going to need to connect the dots, so take your time. To frame the lineup, I'm aligning the vertical bar with the length of the eyebrow to make this lineup pop. Now you can see how easy it becomes to connect the U outline to the vertical bar. I'm angling the blade slightly toward the end. Here, I'm ensuring the two vertical lines are aligned properly. Guys, consistency is key. Now, I'm going back and connecting the U outline to the vertical line. Very straightforward, easy stuff for beginners. Guys, if you can give your client this type of lineup, you are probably going to raise their haircut price because of the value it has in the shop. It's very much a pro-level lineup with lots of precision, and I highly recommend you practice this technique. It's pretty beginner friendly. Guys, if you have a barber friend or someone you do really love to see improve, whether in or outside the industry, share this video with them. It really helps the video reach a wider audience. Friends, this is the final look after applying the enhancement to the lineup. It's a pro-level style of enhancement, but that will be for another video. Here, I'm using the razor on the lineup to really give my client a crispy, clean look. What's the hardest part of doing a lineup for you? Let me know in the comments below. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button, like, comment, and share with your friends. Now, enjoy the rest of the video. Cheers, and I will see you in the next one.